Come on to the channel Akka English Oromic akkam nagaa jirtu baga jiraattan guyyaa hadhaa yeroo muraasa booda kan ture yookaan immoo yeroo dhiyoo booda walitti deebinee jirra jiruu keessatti rakkoon garaagaraa ni uumama rakkoo kana immoo fix yookaan immoo furuudhaaf immoo yeroo ni gaafata anyhow yeroo dheeraa booda walitti deebinee jirra guyyaa hadhaa barumsa kenna yookaan immoo guyyaa roobii barumsa ajaa'ibaatti walitti deebinee jirra garaagarummaa Ingiliffaa normal fi advanced English kan ta'e ilaalachuudha normal English na kam jedhama advanced hala kamin fayyadamne kai garagarum masana lachuda please stay with me until the end of my video please now let's move Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel Akka English with Oromic Aku from School of American English. My dear sisters and brothers, guys, how you man? How you all doing, man? What's up? How's your life, guys? How's your everything? How did your class, man? You fine, right? I hope so. Today we're going to see two things which is very crucial in English language. We are going to see about natural English or normal English and advanced English. We're gonna see the difference of them, guys. Okay, guys, come on to the channel Akka English Oromic akkam nagaa jirtu baga jiraattan guyyaa hadhaa yeroo muraasa booda kan ture yookaan immoo yeroo dhiyoo booda walitti deebinee jirra jiruu keessatti rakkoon garaagaraa ni uumama rakkoo kana immoo fix yookaan immoo furuudhaaf immoo yeroo ni gaafata anyhow yeroo dheeraa booda walitti deebinee jirra guyyaa hadhaa barumsa kenna yookaan immoo guyyaa roobii barumsa ajaa'ibaatti walitti deebinee jirra garaagarummaa Ingiliffaa normal fi advanced English kan ta'e ilaalachuudha normal English na kam jedhama advanced hala kamin fayyadamne kai garaagarummaa isaanii ilaalachuudha please stay with me until the end of my video please now let's move on let's get started okay akkuma isin agartan guyyaa hadhaa normal English fi advanced English isiniif qopheessee jira afaan Ingiliffaatiin advanced English jedhamu kunin yeroo baay'ee Ingiliffaa namoonni native speakers yookaan immoo namoonni Ingiliffa isaanii advanced tan kan fayyadaman jechuudha jechoota yeroo baay'ee advanced kennuun jechoota yeroo baay'ee afaan idioms kan ibsaman jechuudha expression isaanii phrase isaanii baay'ee diqqoo ni ulfaata jechuudha it's a little bit hard tough guys so normal English everybody uses normal English Ingiliffa normal jechuun Ingiliffa akkasumas xalayaa irratti yookaan immoo akkanumatti natural ka ta'e namoota hunda wajjin ka walii galuu danda'an jechuudha kanaaf now garaagarummaa normal English fi advanced English ilaala jechuudha normal English jechoota kan fayyadamna akkasumas immoo advanced English jedhamu jechoota kamii akka fayyadamnu walumaa ilaalachuudha now let's get started the first one say that let's meet today tokkoffaan maal jechuudha afaan Ingiliffaatiin nama tokkoon hadha walaa garuu barbaadu you can say to them what in normal English let's meet today hadha walaa garuu please let's meet today at Abagada Hall please let's meet today just in this cafe in Sikomanda Cafe in Sheraton Cafe to unit let's meet today hadha walaa garuu hadha walaa qulum afaan advanced in let's meet today to your birthday hala kan fahamta you can use them by saying what I'm sorry yeah okay let me use is a red color okay bima fedamo okay you can say akamicho ndeta let's you can guess it nadura gaso chuneta rakon kabocho you can say let's catch up okay let's catch up today okay let's catch up today himni yookaan immoo jechi yookaan immoo phrasing yookaan immoo gaalen let's catch up today kun jecha advanced jechuudha jechoota guddaa jechuudha kan namoonni advanced ta'an Ingiliffaan isaanii kan guddate kan fayyadaman jechuudha so try to use this one is to make your English language to the next level please use this one by saying please let's catch up today please let's catch up today hadha walaa garuu please let's catch up today ne haala kana fayyadaman jechuudha lamaffaa I'm very hungry afaan Ingiliffaatiin baay'ee beela jechuu barbaadde afaan Ingiliffa normalatiin you can say what I'm very hungry everybody knows this one guys I'm very hungry baay'ee beela jechuudha instead it is better to use a lot of expression guys and instead of I'm very hungry we have a lot of phrase man gaaleewwan baay'ee qabna bakka I'm very hungry jedhamu jechuudha now let's make it advanced English afaan advanced jechuu barbaadnu I'm very hungry jechuu barbaadde maa taa gara biraatiin you can say I'm I'm very hungry. You can say I'm starving. I'm starving. Can say I'm starving. I'm starving jechuun baay'ee beelee agarsiisa jechuudha. I'm starving. Or you can say I'm famished jechuudha. Or you can say what? Famished. Okay. You can say I'm famished. I'm famished, or you can say I'm starving. I'm starving jechuun is advanced English. I'm very hungry jechuun immoo Ingiliffaa normaal jechuudha. Kan barbaade fayyadamtaa nama walii galuu barbaade kana fayyadamtaa Ingiliffi immoo guddisuu barbaade maata kana fayyadamuu jechuudha. So you can say instead of I'm hungry, you can use what? I'm starving. Or you can say I'm famished. Kan biraallee baay'ee jira jechuudha. Okay. The next one is I'm very happy. I'm very happy means what? At yoo gammachuu qabaate hadha yoo gammachuu qabaate maal dubbata? I'm very happy today jechuudha. I'm very happy today. Hey bro, you very happy today. Where you got it? Maal argatte? Okay, what did you got it? Maal argatte jechuudha. So you can say I'm very happy baay'ee gammachuu qabachuu. Now let's make it advanced English. Woroon Ingiliffaa advanced godhan yookaan immoo woroon Ingiliffaa guddaa haasoo barbaadan akkamitti haasaan level isaanii guddaa akkatti akkamitti haasanii I'm very happy kan maal fayyadamne we can say I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon. Over the moon. Okay, you can say I'm over the moon. Okay, I'm over the moon. Or you can say I'm in the seventh heaven. Or you can say I'm on the top of the world. You can say I'm over the moon today. I'm over the moon is advanced English. Or you can say I'm in the seventh heaven. Or you can say I'm on cloud 9. I'm on cloud 9 okay, you can say I'm over the moon, I'm on just cloud 9, or you can say I'm in the seventh heaven, or you can say I'm on the top of the world. So keessa baay'ee keessa kana qabachuun irratti dirqama jechuudha. I'm over the moon jechuun I'm very happy jechuudha. Okay, the next one is I'm very busy. If you're busy with something else, if your hand is really tied up with something else, you can say I'm very busy to name it to this is not natural English, English for natural. Now let's make it advanced English. How just advanced people use one. You can say I'm very busy. Can you imagine it now? You can say I'm swamped. Okay, I'm swamped. Literally. You can say I'm swamped. Or you can say I'm a bit tied up. Can say what? I'm a bit tied up. I'm a bit tied up. I'm a bit tied up. Can say I'm swamped. Or you can say I'm a bit tied up. Okay? Busy. I'm swamped. Bit or you can say my eyes are up. You can say my eyes are up. Or you can say I've loaded. You can say I'm overloaded. You can say I'm overloaded. You can say I'm overloaded. Okay, I'm overloaded. You can say I'm busy. Or you can say I'm under snow. Actually, there are so many expressions. Expression by jura. Kesa kanamo I'm swamped. Or you can say I'm a bit tied up. I'm a bit tied up. I'm swamped. Okay, the next one is I'm very tired. I'm very tired. If you feel tired, you're the day. Afaan Ingiliffaa maata. I am very tired. Ingiliffaa ke more advanced gochuu barbaade. Yoo more guddisee fayyadamu yoo kana more jechoota biraa fayyadamu yoo barbaade maata dubbata. I'm very tired. Kan maata. You can say I'm exhausted. You can say I'm exhausted. Or you can say I'm worn out. You see guys, you can say I'm worn out. Okay, I'm exhausted. Or you can say I'm worn out. Or you can say I fed up. Instead of what? Instead of I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. Or you can say I'm worn out. I'm exhausted. I'm worn out. It's advanced English. This one is I'm very tired. This one is natural and normal English. Okay. The next one is sorry I fell asleep. Sorry I fell asleep. Sorry I fell asleep. Sorry I fell asleep. Afaan Ingiliffaa advanced you can say sorry. I nodded off. I nodded off. I nodded off jechuun you feel sleepy jechuudha. Okay, if you want to go to bed, okay, if you just rest your bed, your back, you can say sorry, I nodded off, or you can say please let me rest my back jechuudha. Please let me rest my back. Okay, please let me lay down on the bed jechuudha. So you can say sorry, I fell asleep jechuudha. Instead, it's better to use sorry, I nodded off if you want to make your English language, if you want to just speak English language like native speakers. Okay, the next one is it is very cold outside. It is very cold outside. Which badami barda alaba ekora. Instead, if you want to make your English language just like advanced English, you are coming to but you can say it's very cold outside. You can say it is okay. It is freezing. It is freezing what? Outside. It is freezing outside. Ba ekora. It is freezing what? Outside. Alaba ekora. That means it's very chilly. You can say it's very chilly outside. Okay, you can say what? Chilly. Chilly. Here is very chilly, man. This place is very chilly, man. It's outside. It's very chilly. Chilly means what? It's freezing. Okay, the next one is good luck, bro. How birthday? You can say to him, bro, huh? Good luck, bro. Instead, kumada Ingiliffaa normal. Good luck, bro. You are more Ingiliffaa advanced birthday. You can use it by saying what? Break a leg. You can say what? Break a leg, bro. Okay, break a leg, bro. Please break a leg. I want to wish you just a break a leg. Okay, break a leg. Break a leg. Good luck, bro. Kanaaf kun normal English yookaan natural English kun advanced English. The next one is stop wasting time. Stop wasting time. Nama tokkoon yeroon balleessin yeroon baraatti jechuudha. You can say stop wasting time. Time is life. Time is gold. Time is everything. Kanaaf man, stop wasting time. Yeroon balleessin jechuudha. Please stop wasting my time. Don't waste my time. Yeroo kiin balleessin yeroo kiin fixe jechuudha. Now let's make it advanced English. Ingiliffaa keenya guddisuu barbaadnu we can say stop faffing. Okay, stop faffing time. Stop faffing time. We can say stop faffing time. Faffing time, all right? Stop faffing time means what? Stop wasting time, that means. Okay, this is advanced English. This is normal English. Stop faffing time. Or you can say faffing time. The last one, leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Afaan Ingiliffaa normal jechuudha. Please leave me alone. Just I'm not in a good mood. Just today, I fought with somebody. I broke up with my lovers. I broke up with my family, my teacher. Please leave me alone. I don't want just stop bothering me. Or you can stop bothering me. Stop please tiring me. So instead, leave me alone means it's normal English. Now, if you want to make your English language just like native speakers, if you just upgrade your English language, you can say instead of leave me alone, you can say give me a break. You can say what? Give me, okay, give me a break. Okay, give me a break. Give me a break, please. Bro, please give me a break. Just I'm not in a good mood. Just I'm sad today. I'm unhappy today. Please give me a break. Give me a break. So, haala kanaan fayyadamuu dandeettan jechuudha. Walumaa galatti barumsa addaaf qabadheessin yaadde maadhaa barumsa normal English fi advanced garaagarummaa sana jechuudha. Afaan Ingiliffaa normaatiin let's meet today jechuun walaa garuu jechuudha. Afaan advanced ammoo you can say let's catch up today jechuudha. I'm very hungry jechuudha. You can say I'm starving or you can say I'm famished jechuudha. You can say I'm starving or you can say I'm famished jechuudha. The next one is I'm very happy. Baay'ee gammachuu qaba. I'm over the moon. You can say just I'm on cloud 9. You can say I'm in the 7th heaven. Or you can say I'm on the top of the world. The next one is I'm very busy. Okay, instead you can say I'm swamped. Or you can say I'm a bit tied up. Or you can say I'm overloaded. Or you can say I'm just under snow. You can say sometimes my eyes are up. Or you can say my hand is tied up. or you can say I have a lot on my plate. You can say I have a lot on my plate, or you can say I have a lot to do. The next one is I'm very tired, means I'm very exhausted. I'm exhausted, or you can say I'm worn out. The next one is sorry I fell asleep, means you can say sorry I nodded off. I nodded off. The next one is I'm very cold. I mean, it is very cold outside. It's very cold outside. Instead, you can say it is freezing outside. It's freezing outside. Or you can say it is chilly outside. The next one is good luck, bro. You can say break a leg, bro. Break a leg, bro. Advanced English. The next one is stop wasting time. Stop wasting time means stop faffing time. Stop faffing time. The next one is leave me alone means give me a break. Haala kana Ingiliffaa keessan guddisuu hin dandeettanii. Walumaa galatti barumsi hadhaaf qabadheessinii dhiyaadhe kana fakkaata. Barumsa irratti yoo gaafii qabaattan commentii qabaattan just you can comment me out. Commentii gochuun dandeettanii rakkoon qabuuti. Please don't forget to give me a comment, like, shares. Kana gochuun dagatinati hadhaaf asuma sura dhaaba yeroo ta'an barumsa biraatiin hanga walitti deemnutti nagaan na tura.